Welcome to Drive Dynamics, where we bring you the latest and greatest from the world of high-performance automobiles. Today, we have something truly special, a machine that redefines luxury and performance in the SUV segment. This is the 2025 Ferrari Purosangue, a vehicle that challenges conventions and sets new benchmarks for what an SUV can be. The Purosangue is not just another SUV. It is Ferrari's first ever four-door, four-seater, built with a singular focus on delivering an exhilarating driving experience. The name Purosangue, meaning thoroughbred in Italian, perfectly captures its spirit. It stays true to Ferrari's DNA while embracing the practicality and versatility expected from an SUV. Under the hood, the 2025 Purosangue retains the heart of a true Ferrari. A naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine sits at its core, producing an earth-shattering 725 horsepower and 528 lb-ft of torque. This powertrain is a masterpiece, delivering breathtaking acceleration and an unmistakable Ferrari soundtrack. The Purosangue launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 190 mph, ensuring it remains one of the fastest SUVs on the planet. Unlike traditional SUVs, the Purosangue features a unique front mid-engine layout, optimizing weight distribution for exceptional balance. Ferrari's advanced all-wheel drive system ensures that power is delivered precisely where it's needed, providing maximum grip and stability in all conditions. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission offers lightning-fast shifts, enhancing both performance and drivability. The driving dynamics of the Purosangue set it apart from anything else in its class. It features Ferrari's innovative active suspension system, which continuously adjusts to maintain perfect control and comfort. This system, combined with four-wheel steering, makes the Purosangue incredibly agile despite its size. Whether carving through mountain roads or cruising on the highway, it delivers a driving experience unlike any other SUV. Step inside, and you are greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster and a separate touchscreen for the passenger, ensuring an immersive experience for everyone on board. Premium materials, including carbon fiber, Alcantara, and fine Italian leather, create an atmosphere of exclusivity and craftsmanship. The rear doors open in a unique, rear-hinged fashion, offering easier access to the spacious rear seats while adding a touch of drama. The Purosangue is not just about performance, it's also about everyday usability. It comes equipped with the latest in Ferrari's infotainment and driver assistance systems, making long journeys comfortable and enjoyable. The increased cargo space and practical layout mean that, for the first time, a Ferrari can truly be used as a daily driver without compromise. With the 2025 Purosangue, Ferrari has created something extraordinary. It is an SUV that defies expectations, combining breathtaking speed with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. This is not just another high-performance SUV. It is a Ferrari in every sense. Stay tuned to Drive Dynamics for more reviews and in-depth coverage of the world's finest automobiles. See you in the next one.